Hello everyone, welcome to Publicize a Discussion. Let us start our today's video. Are you finding the way of result followed by partially lookup value? Or do you so bother to find the exact value based on partial text as lookup value? So then let us see today's video till end to get the solution through lookup value followed by wildcard. For getting the result, we have taken one database based on the state code and alpha code of the states of India. Let us see how to get this result. Before starting, we have to give the VLOOKUP formula followed by wildcard. How we have to put that? Let us see. Equals to, as usual, VLOOKUP formula which we know, VLOOKUP. For vertically lookup, we have to put the VLOOKUP formula. After that, start double quote, then star, close the double quote, and lookup value. Select the value of lookup value cell. Sorry. Once again and then again double quote, then star, close the double quote. Now comma, select the table array. Table array will be started from that column of the database which is in place of lookup value in your reporting place. Lock the cell by pressing F4, and if your F4 is not working, by pressing F4, if lock is not happening, means table array reference cell or column reference is not being locked followed by the dollar signs, then definitely you have to find the FN key on your laptop which is available in between Control and Windows button. Then comma, after that give the column index number. What we want to get? That state code in which column it is available on the database, that is column number 2. Column number 2 in the sense of selected table array. From column index number will be counted since the first column of our selected table range. Our selected table range is B column and ends with D column. So B column is 1, state code, that is C column, is 2. So here 2 we have to give, and then for exact match we have to give the 0 and then close. Now enter. State code for ASS for Assam. Let us see Andhra Pradesh. Without writing the Andhra Pradesh fully, let us write only ANDHRA, Andhra. Let us see 28. Automatically it is being changed, and here Andhra Pradesh and state code is 28. Report is correctly coming. And West Bengal, without writing Bengal, WEST only, 29 is the state code. Let us see, check West Bengal, state code 29. Actually this is the function of wildcard. If we use the VLOOKUP followed by wildcard, then definitely we are able to get the result if there is no duplicate value in the main database. Duplicate value means which we are writing. Actually, what is the main function of the wildcard? When we are giving the wildcard in this portion, it means it will find the same value which is available on lookup value cell that will be matched with the selected area of the range. So which is here WEST when we are searching. So wildcard is finding that in the database where WEST is available, and when it is getting here, so it is fetching the data. But if here is another type of waste, for example, sorry, if we search yes, here Andhra Pradesh and Andhra, here let us search AND is common in case of Andhra Pradesh and Andhra Pradesh new. So only search AND. 35 is coming. 35 is coming from here, because here 3 place is AND is available, but others are not coming. If you drag it, if we drag it, then also 35 will come, because in case of VLOOKUP only 35 is coming, means first value is coming only, others are not able to find out, because here AND is common in multiple time in the state name. So this is the lacuna you can tell, or that is sorry, that is the problem. But we are able to find out easily, and it is very much effective, and by using this formula without writing the full name we can get the correct value if this condition of the duplicacy of, or if the uniqueness of the lookup value is possible to maintain. Without writing AND, if we write ANDA, ANDH, then also is coming, means we have to write down proper the short name of that, which is not duplicate at all. So this is the actual function. So let us see once again, let us see that how it works in case of finding the alpha code of the state. Equals to VLOOKUP, use wildcard, and command for wildcard is the double quote star double quote and lookup value double quote star, then again double quote close, then sorry, and in between two and sign lookup value will be selected. Sorry, star double quote, then comma, table array. Table range will be started from the lookup value column in the database. Lock that pressing F4 or Fn key plus F4. Sorry, column index number 3, here 3 for exact match. 0, then AP. For Andhra, AP. For HAR we are giving Bihar. Bihar spelling ends with HAR, so only we have given without writing fully Bihar, only HAR we have written, but we have observed that BH code has been automatically fetched by VLOOKUP followed by wildcard. So this is the beauty of this command of VLOOKUP. So thank you everyone, we will meet again.